Holy cow. Welcome back to another one. Oh my gosh. I just got set up, guys. I'm about a minute and a half late. Oh my gosh, I'm not even loaded up. Holy cow. Gosh darn it. We are doing a little pigeon shoot, and I've got a little vengeance out for these suckers today because I got one single comment from somebody watching these videos saying that I can't shoot worth a dang. So our goal today is 50 for 50. I'm out here on a solo hunt. I'm really gonna be able to pick out the shots. Hope you'll enjoy this one. The pigeons are already flying, so we're gonna get straight into this video. Let's get to it. One for one. That is 1 for 1. Right in the pocket. Oh yeah, there we go, 2 for 2. That one was floating, baby. Gosh, I love that. Yaw, yaw. Yaw, yaw. Yaw, yaw. Yaw. Got the cows out of there. 2 down. We're gonna continue to get these bad boys. Oh, I'm just sitting on the ground on the fence line, trying not to get a sticker in my butt right now. Ow. Here we go, right here. Oh, I can't shoot to the right because the house is over there. 3 for 3. There we go. This is fun. 75, 80 degrees right now. So I'm about to be taking off my little puffer, but this old Breeze shirt's a button up, super lightweight, absolutely awesome. Got a little zipper pocket for your phone. On the bottom of it, it's actually got a little piece on the bottom of it you can wipe your sunglasses off with, little sunglass wipe built into the shirt. Absolutely awesome. Super comfortable, super good fitting. I will show you guys more of it here in just a second. Here comes a pigeon. Oh baby. Oh gosh, couldn't get up high enough. Oh man, foot burner. Here we go. 4 for 4. That was nice. Man, all singles. Let's get some freaking flocks in here. Oh, here we go. Come on, buddy. Come back. That little belly shot's nice, though. I must admit. All right, a couple more coming in right here. Come on, let's get a pair in here. Nice. All right. Hope y'all are enjoying these pigeon hunt videos, and we're doing some highlight videos each month from last hunting season doing waterfowl. So if you're a subscriber here, you know what I'm talking about. About to be doing some fishing. So y'all drop a comment down below for me, please. Let me know if you're interested in some fishing videos. I'll be going and doing some bass fishing with my grandpa. Largemouth bass fishing down in East Texas. We have a really good time doing it. I'm probably gonna film some, probably get a video out for you guys just because I haven't seen my grandpa in a little bit, and he's probably my favorite person to fish with. So y'all let me know if you want some fishing videos. I'm also going to Alaska in a couple of weeks, and we'll be doing a bunch of fishing and golfing and things like that up there. Let me know. I'm trying to get some new stuff on this channel. And I'm gonna do the pigeon hunts too because I love it. But I love golfing. I love golfing. Oh gosh, dang it, if I could shoot to the right, I could get a couple more. Taking good quality, high quality shots. Got one coming, bombing in on right here. We're letting the singles have it this morning. I'll tell you what. These gosh dang things can juke, jive. What's that dodgeball saying? Juke, jive, and wrench or something like that. I don't know. That's 7 or 8 down. I'm not really sure, but it's 7 or 8 down. We got some big wads coming from the food source. Come on down here. Come on down here. Come on in here, Pidgey, Pidgey, Pidgey. Oh, Pidgey, Pidgey, Pidgey. Might have one circle back. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, come here, gosh dang it. I'm up against this fence, so I can't go straight up. Might have to readjust here. Get some more shots off. Here we go. Oh man, the singles are just loving it. Here we go. Have to wait till they get left of the mojos. Oh yes, man, this is fun. This is fun. I'm having a really good time out here. Oh gosh. You guys haven't watched our turkey hunt. We made a really good turkey video last week. So the last video before this one, if you haven't watched it and you like turkey hunting, y'all check that one out. It's pretty entertaining. They're coming over my back and I'm not able to see them till they're already in the decoys. So here's some out front. Come on. We need a little double. We need a little double get this video started. Ooh, there's a white one. I got one on the ground there. The old GF1 from GForceARMS. A little 12-piece. Little 12 banger. Ripping. If y'all haven't checked these out, this is what I've made my pigeon choice. This old white beauty here. I got to be cautious of how I say things. Just for the record, so I'm talking this way about these things. Basically, just have to call them things, or my video will get demonetized and removed. This one might come back over, come back. Just so y'all know, the old 12-piece. His buddy might come back here. There he is. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, I'm gonna have to go for a little 2-piece. This is getting, these singles are getting a little rambunctious. Might have to get a couple more. Come on. Barely got the camera on that time. We got another one. We're definitely in double digits now. We're definitely in double digits. We need to get some pairs in here. That's what we need, some pairs, some 3 and 4, 5 packs. That's how you start racking up the numbers right there. Now we're trying not to miss today. We're trying not to miss. So we're going a little bit more slow and precise, if you know what I mean. A little slower and a little more precise. You can't miss. We're going 50 for 50. We always get ahead of ourselves out here when we're going for triples every time. So, but we're going to here in a minute. We're going to take some risk, high reward. Come here, come here. Might have to get me a high one there. Ooh, a little far. Only got about 2.5 dozen decoys out and 2 spinners, and they like it. That is just, oh, I gotta get them up on the left side of the decoy. Here we go, here we go. Well, way down yonder. I'm excited to go flip a bait in the water and set the hook on some big old green largemouth bass. Here we go, single coming in. Come on. That one got out too quick. All right. Here, Pidgey, Pidgey. Here, Pidgey, Pidgey. Oh, right here, single in the hole. Man, they love it. They're just doing it awesome. A little bit slower morning than normal. Haven't been out here in a long time. I usually bait these things to land in one spot. They kind of landing in a few spots right now. I don't have anything out here for them to key in on, but we're getting some. Get some of these put back in the spread here. This little 50 thing might go to poo real quick if I just start pulling the trigger along. I might just start just ripping. That might just be what we gotta do. Might just be what we gotta do. You know what I mean? I know it's warming up out here. This breeze shirt, I'm really happy with. It is super lightweight. Oh, wow. Yeah, a little zipper pocket here. I can toss my phone in there if I want to. It's currently just sitting on the ground, so might be a place I put it here in just a second. Oh, yeah, that's much better. Man, it gets hot down here in Texas. You guys big into the turkeys? Ryder got me kind of hooked on them. I like going with Ryder. Ryder's one he loves filming things that are, you know, gorgeous in the outdoors. Man, there's some big wads coming back. Maybe they'll drop in here. Come here, come here, come here. There we go. Here we go. By the hair on her chin, chin, chin. Starting to sneak up from behind me. Yes. He's down. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna have to go get that one. We are halfway there. That marks 25 down. Here we go. Might have another one coming. Oh, nope. 25 for 25. We are halfway there. First double of the morning. That second one got out quick, but we got him down. I'm gonna go grab him real quick. Hopefully this starts picking up a little bit. It's been a slower morning than normal, but hope y'all are enjoying it. Come here. Uh-oh. Come here. There we go. 26. Oh, might have another one. Nope. Come on. You need it to pick up. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Nice. Pair on the right. Come here. Yes. Let's see if we can't get a third here. Three for three. First 3 for 3. Nice. That puts us at 30. Oh, here's a fourth one coming in right here. Ooh. Let's go. Oh, block coming at me. Come on now. Here we go. There we go. 31. That was a tougher shot. We're extending our range here a little bit. Oh, pair, come here, come here. There we go. We might as well just start poking them. 32, that one's coming back. 33. We're shooting now, boys. We're just letting them have it. We are just letting them have it. Give me one more. Here we go. Come on. Mm. 34. Shoot, I thought I'd get, oh, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. $35, let's go, 15 more. I gotta get that one back there. Sick. A little more action. It's picking up. It's picking up. Hope y'all didn't click off this video yet because it's picking up out here. Here we go. Sweet. We're getting some action now. We're getting some action. Couldn't get on him. Look at this dove coming in. That is a dove. Sweet. Yep, got that one right before he tapped down. They're decoying nicely today. Here we go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. I need a rotary machine for pigeon. Man, that would be killer. I might have to make one. A little rotary for pigeon with about 4 of them on it, about 6-foot arms swinging around. That would be outstanding. Here's a single dropping in here. Here we go. Wow, that was a layup. 39. Oh, here we go. Ten more. All right, maybe he saw these drop. 10 more, 10 more, 10 more. Single up front, saw that one drop. Come on in here. Come on in here. I'll take you at 50. Oh, no. Oh, I gotta get that one. There we go. 41. Had to wait for him to hop up. I don't know if ground swatting counts. I think it should. I think ground swat should count. 9 more. 9 more. I'm gonna get these things primed up with some bait and bait a little spot that they all come to. We're gonna do a triples only video. That would be pretty cool. Triples only. You gotta shoot 3 every single time. That'd be nice. Singles today is, it's unbelievable. I've never had this many singles. Here's another one coming right at us. Eight more. Give me a pair at least, man. Alive. Oh, here we go. Bombing in. Nope. had to take a far shot. Let's go. Maybe they saw that one fall. Come here. Oh, Tweety bird. Here we go. Oh, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. I'm taking a few risky shots here, boys, that we're hitting. Thank goodness, because we would have to restart this whole entire thing, but we're not gonna do that. Wish I could make this one clip, but it is, let me see here. Let me check my watch. It is 9:25, so I've been out here approximately 2 hours. This would be a 2-hour long video if I were to not cut it up, but I think we've got about 6 more, and we might complete this challenge, unless I screw it up. I'm probably gonna screw it up at like 49, whatever. Yes. Man, the wind switched in my face, so they're kind of flying away. This got a little bit harder just now. Oh my gosh, 4 more. Don't screw this up, Cole. Don't screw this up. Means they're gonna come over my back. We're gonna have to belly shoot them. Maybe. They may do it in front. Here's a pair. These are walked up. Yes, 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. Oh, yes. 2 more birds and we have completed this little goofy challenge. Little goofy 50 for 50 solo pigeon limit challenge. Come on. Here's a single right here. Eating it up. 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 Ooh, barely got that one, not gonna lie. I almost just screwed this thing up big time. It hit him in the head. Gosh, I almost screwed that up. I pulled the trigger at a bad time. Come on, one more, one more, one more. Flip in here. Yes. Oh yes, we did it. We did it. We did it. Oh my gosh, we did it. What a dumb little challenge. It'll really make you focus up and try a little bit harder though, that's for sure. Get a little carried away with a group of people. Trying to shoot too fast, you can really pick out your shots with pigeons. Man, that was freaking fun. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned for a bunch of these videos coming up over the next few weeks. I'm trying to keep you guys entertained over the summer months, the downtime, thinking about golf, fishing, being on a boat, surfing, all these things. Y'all be sure to keep on the channel. Hope y'all enjoyed this one. We completed the challenge, 50 for 50. We will catch you guys on the next one. Appreciate you guys watching.